Hello everyone, today we are going to make some homemade ice cream. So today's flavour is going to be chocolate and brownies. So I've just bought some brownies from the shop, and this is 2 really big heaped tablespoons of cocoa powder. The base of the ice cream, so it doesn't matter what flavour you're going to make, you're going to need these 2 items. So the first item is condensed milk, just the normal tin. Which is 397 grams, and I've got 2 tubs of double cream because I couldn't find the large, but it's the 300 ml, so I've got 2 of those. Okay, and then you need a hand whisk and a mixing bowl. Right, I've just put 4 tablespoons of warm water from the kettle in here, just so I can mix the cocoa up so it's all mixed thoroughly in, so it's becoming more of a gooey liquid. Now I'm going to pour the cream into my mixing bowl and start to whisk it up. So I'm just starting to whisk the cream until it's a bit thicker. Not quite there yet, just a little bit more. So I've just stopped it here, just trying to show you the thickness. It's a bit like a runny mousse texture. So I'm just trying to lift it up so you can see the thickness of the cream. So you can see I'm just resting the mixer here, and the cream is still just attached. So that's the type of thickness we're looking for. It's not as thick for a cake filling. It is more like a mousse consistency, just a really loose mousse. A bit like Angel Delight, if you've made that before. Okay, so when it gets to that consistency, we're going to tip the the condensed milk into the mixture. So just pour that in, and then we're going to turn the hand whisk on again and give it a quick whisk. So we're giving it a really good mix, and now we're going to start building our ice cream. Right, I've just scraped the cocoa out of this dish and popped it into the mixture. I've prepared the brownies, I've just chopped them all up, just roughly. And then I've also bought this, I actually bought this one from Amazon, it's an ice cream tub. So this goes in here, like so, and then it has a lid that fits on, like that. So it came in a pack of 2, but maybe you'll be able to find something similar online yourself. Okay, so I've made sure that's secure. So I'm going to give this a quick whisk. So that's the cocoa that I've put in. I'm going to whisk it with the cream and condensed milk mixture. And then I'm going to pour a little in here, then layer with some brownie, and then the cream on top again. So good luck. So here's all my mixture. I've just literally just got a spoon and I've just flattened it all down. Just give it a little smooth. And then we pop the lid on and pop it in the freezer. Now, there are lots of different flavours that you can do. So if you just remember that the base was the double cream and the condensed milk, whip it up, and then you can make your own flavours up. So I've done some with broken cookies, I've done some with some chocolate in, I've done another one with raisins soaked in rum, mixed with some coffee. So just have a little experiment. It's up to you what flavours you would like, and have fun making it. Good luck.